We've all heard of the dangers of artificial intelligence from TV and movies, but should we really be afraid of it? We're currently in the lowest category of AI known as Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI, where AI can only perform specific tasks. For example, the AI known as Deep Blue, made in 1996, can only play chess, and although it's very good at it, it can't do anything else. In fact, all forms of AI we have today fit into two categories. They are either reactive or have limited memory. Reactive AI, such as Deep Blue, means that they have neither the ability to form memories or the ability to use past experiences to inform current decisions. In other words, it involves the AI perceiving the world directly and acting on what it sees. A reactive AI doesn't rely on knowing a concept of what the world is. On the other hand, AI with limited memory can actually look into the past and make decisions based on what they've learned. A good example of an AI with limited memory would be one of Tesla's self-driving cars, which can observe other cars' speeds and direction, compare it with its own knowledge of a reprogrammed representation of the world, and decide whether or not to change lanes or if the car is about to be hit by another car, etc. These kinds of AI can often learn from their actions to make better decisions in the future through techniques such as machine learning. Machine learning is when a computer is given an input and is told what the output should be. Using techniques such as neural networks, the computer can create its own algorithm to solve the problem through repeated trial and error and the use of big data. So what is the future for AI? If AI keeps improving at the rate it's going, then it's predicted that we will reach the next category of AI between the 2020s or 2030s. The next level of AI is Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI is the level of intelligence of a machine where the machine can perform any intellectual task that a human being could also perform. There are a number of tests which can be performed to confirm that a machine is at AGI level, the most famous being the Turing test, where a machine and human communicate with a second human, and if the second human cannot determine the difference between the machine and the first human, then the machine is considered to be at AGI level. Rapid growth in any field of advancement is always accompanied by a sense of fear. The dangers of AI inspired many dystopian works which warn of their potential risk. However, in reality, AI is only as dangerous as we allow it to be. As AGI develops, a direct competition between machines and people will inevitably form, where machines will dominate due to their self-improvement capabilities and lack of human error. By incorporating AI into our daily lives and allowing it to power over us, we will become too reliant. A world run by machines will lead to unpredictable consequences. By continuing to centralize control in one area, such as smart cars, home, and now even cities, we are creating a big vulnerability if this step is not taken cautiously. Besides from the risk of the superintelligent AI turning against us, hackers and viruses can also become life-threatening. If AI holds such a tremendous risk, for what reason are we developing it? Currently, AI is being used in the city of Hangzhou, China, with Project CityBrain. Every individual is tracked while active on social media, shopping, moving around the city and commuting. The AI not only alerts authorities during emergencies, but also helps people in predicting future situations about streets and commutes. As a result, criminal activities, road accidents, and traffic congestion all went down. In the healthcare field, AI is deployed to detect diseases more accurately and in their early stages. IBM's Watson can review medical information exponentially faster than any human, with its decisions all evidence-based, free of cognitive biases, enabling rapid analysis and reducing misdiagnosis.
Next, we'll ask Sue about the benefits of artificial intelligence.
Can you give an example of AI?
An example of AI would be online video streaming services such as YouTube. It seamlessly integrates with the platform by looking at your viewing history and creating various recommendations to keep your session running as long as possible. AI works with a neural network in scientific theorems such as conditional and logic statements. Artificial neural networks are a composition of interconnected artificial neurons. AI helps us in many aspects, especially the banking and financial sector, where half of all the activities on exchanges are through the use of artificial intelligence robots. They are tasked with helping set stop and limit orders in the stock market to maximize profitability.
AI is still a new technology. No one can say for sure that the benefits outweigh the risk. Only by developing it will we gain a better understanding of how it will advance. The real danger lies beyond the AGI level, the super artificial intelligence and artificial emotional intelligence level, where AI gains self-awareness and sentience, becoming an entity of itself. Although this is in the very distant future, the fear it creates is felt in the present.